Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to add color line art in Photoshop. Let us get started. This is the final look we are aiming to achieve. This will be a starting flat photo. Let me show you how this is done. To get started, first you need to separate the white background from the dark lines. To do that, go to the layers panel, click on the line art layer to make it active. Traditionally, you might think of using the magic word tool to select the black lines, but a much easier process is using the layer channels. Go to the layers channels, hold on Control, Command and Mark, and click on the RGB thumbnail. That will select all the bright pixels, but in our case, we need the dark pixels. So to do that, we need to inverse the selection. Go to Select, click on Inverse, or press Shift Ctrl I, Shift Command I on Mark. That now only selects the black lines. Go back to the Layers panel. Let us now create a new layer. Go to the bottom of the Layers panel, click on the plus icon. That creates a new layer. Let us call it Line Art. Press D for default foreground and background colors. To fill the selection with the foreground, press Alt Backspace, Alt Delete on a mark, press Ctrl D, Command D on a mark to deselect. Go back to the original art, click on it to make it active. To fill it with the background color, press Ctrl Backspace, Command Delete on a mark. Now our line art and the background are separate. Hide the background. As you can see, now we have separate entities of the line art and the background. The next step is to color the artwork. To do that, we use the paint bucket. But first, let us paint our sky. Click on the line art. Go to the bottom of the layers panel. Click on the plus icon to create a new layer. Let us call it sky. Pick the paint bucket. Go to the control bar, change the tolerance to 100%, and also check all layers. That will allow the paint bucket to consider all the layers while painting. That is where it will avoid all that is not the sky. Let us pick a color for the sky. Go to the color swatch. Let us pick this color brown. Go back to the layers panel. Make sure your sky layer is selected. Click on it on the window to add the color. And there we have it. Let us also paint this area, part of the sky that wasn't selected. Just click. That's it. Now let us start painting the other objects. Pick a color that you desire for each object. While the paint bucket is still selected, go back to the color swatch. Let us start by painting the stars. Click on the line art. Let us create a new layer and call it stars. Go to the color swatch, pick the color yellow. Also make sure your star layer is selected. Pick the paint bucket, click inside the white part of the star to avoid painting the outline. But if you also want to paint the outline the same color, pick the lasso tool, mark key around the star, place Alt Backspace to fill the area. That will fill the star together with the outline with color yellow. Let us maintain the outline. Press Ctrl D to deselect, Command D on a mark to deselect. Pick the paint bucket. Click inside the star. That goes for all the stars. We might need to fast forward, but we can do this quickly. That is for these stars. The next, let us paint the cart. Pick a desired colors for the cart. Go to the swatches panel. Let us start with this purple. Pick the center to color the clothes of the cart. Let us pick another color, this brown. Let us paint the patches with that brown. Let us pick another color for the clothes or the feet. I'm picking bright colors so that they can pop. Let us use this pink and see how it fares. Yes, let us go with that. Let's pick the color yellow for the face. Let's pick this purple again for the ears and the other white patches. Hold Alt and sample the color from the clothes. Let us color the helmet. Let's pick a light blue. Or this one, let's see. Yeah, let's do that one. Let us go ahead and paint the rocket. Let us pick the color red for the rocket trail. That's it. Let us pick green. Paint the two patches. Let us pick this blue for the next section. Maybe this purple. That's okay. Let us pick yellow for these patches, or light green for these patches. Let us pick another color for the upper section. That will do just fine. Let's pick green for the center circle. The outer circle, let's choose another color. This blue will do just fine. The wings, let's choose another color that contrasts with the sky. Let's choose this purple. For the last object, let us paint the UFO. Let's start with the color green for the antenna. Let's pick this color, hold Alt and circle that color to temporarily switch to the eyedropper tool. Let's use green for the two patches. Let us use this purple for the ribbon. There we have it. Let us choose another color down here. Let us use green again for these two circles. Let us use this maroon color for the landing feet. And that's it. How to hard color line art in Photoshop. And that's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.